to Karuna Vidyakshetra News. This is Madhav Shan here with you. Let's start with the headlines. Malappuram boy wins Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Puraskar. 8-year-old's handwritten novel becomes a major hit. India win ICC Under 19 Men's Cricket World Cup 2022 with victory over England. India's golden boy Neeraj Chopra nominated for Laureus World Sports Awards. Aura speeds up the journey to talents to reach its destination. Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Puraskar for the year 2022 has been conferred to 29 children. These winners include 15 boys and 14 girls belonging to 21 states and union territories. Angadipuram native Devi Prasad has won the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Puraskar, a civilian honor given by the central government to prodigious children excelling in various fields. The award was given to Devi Prasad for the best percussionist in arts and culture category. Devi Prasad is the only recipient of the Rashtriya Bal Award from Kerala this year. Ill helping an 8-year-old boy from United States is competing with prominent authors in terms of popularity at a library. Helbig wrote a book and sneaked it into a library shelf around Christmas last year. The 8-year-old almost took 4 days to complete the book, which used 81 pages of an empty journal. As per reports, Helbig's handwritten, richly illustrated tale narrates how he gets transported back in time after a shiny star atop of his Christmas tree explodes. The kid titled his book The Adventures of Dylan's Christmas. The book has now become a huge hit, years-long waitlist. It has even won an award. India lifted the record, extending 5th ICC Under 19 World Cup title after defeating England in the final at the Sir Vivian Richards Stadium in North Sound, Antigua on Saturday. The Yash Dal-led side defeated the Three Lions in the summit clash by 4 wickets. Earlier, India had won the Under 19 World Cup in 2000, 2008, 2012 and 2018. Neeraj Chopra, India's first ever winner of an Olympic athletics gold medal, has been nominated for the 2022 Laureus World Breakthrough of the Year award. He is one of the 6 nominees for the prestigious award. He is only the 3rd Indian athlete to be nominated for a Laureus Award, after wrestler Vinesh Phogat in 2019 and cricket master Sachin Tendulkar, who won the Laureus Sporting Moment Award 2020. A popular quote said, "Life is a journey with problems to solve and lessons to learn, but most of all, experiences to enjoy." Karuna Vidyakshetra International School started an adventurous journey that started months before to exhibit the talents and creativity of students. This journey had many talented stops, with each destination filled with new forts. From manifesting the talent of art to the talent of expressing the thoughts, experiences were what we learned. And now, as we reach the destination, the experiences what we learned makes it a beautiful blend of lessons and experience. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more stories from the desk of Karuna. This is Madhav Shan signing off. Thank you.